Alex with the Pannell project. Quick question. Have you ever felt like you keep stretching, foam rolling, or even resting, but the same pain or stiffness keeps coming back? Maybe it's in your knees, hips, or low back, or even your shoulders. You're not broken. You're not too old. You don't need to stop doing the things that you love. Today, I'm going to break down the 3 hidden reasons athletes stay injured, where we're going to go through real examples, show simple assessments and drills you can do, and I'll explain how to fix the issues. Most people deal with pain the wrong way. They stretch where it hurts, they ice it, they rest it, or they just hope that it goes away. And sometimes it actually feels a little better, but then pain comes right back. Here's the truth. Pain is usually a symptom, not the cause. Pain is your body's way of saying, hey, something isn't working right. And if you don't find and fix the real issue, whether it's poor movement mechanics, joint stiffness, or weak stabilizing muscles, you're going to keep running into the same problem. Imagine someone who stretches their hamstrings every day because of tightness in the back of their leg. They do foam rolling, maybe even a massage, but every time they run or squat, the tightness comes back. Why? Because the hamstrings aren't weak. Their glutes aren't firing, their hips are stiff, their pelvis might be tilted the wrong. Stretching alone won't fix it. Hidden issues. Number 1, muscle imbalances. Most people train what they're already good at. Quad dominant athletes, like runners or people who squat a lot, keep hammering in their quad, but their glutes and hamstrings stay underdeveloped. Or think about desk workers who focus on their chest, biceps, but ignore their back and posture. Your body compensates. That's when knee pain, hip tightness, or low back flares up. The news is you don't have to stop training. You just need to balance your system, strengthen what's weak, release what's overactive, and start using the body the way it was designed to. Hidden issue number 2, poor activation. Your body is only as strong as the muscles you can actually turn on. I've worked with plenty of athletes who can lift heavy weights, squat, deadlift, and press. But when I test their core stabilizers, they're barely firing. Activation is about turning the right muscles on in the right order at the right time. Here's the cool part. Once the right muscles fire, movement feels different. A squat feels smoother, a hinge feels more controlled, your joints feel supported. Hidden issues. Number 3, joint stiffness. Even if your muscles are balanced and firing correctly, your joints need freedom to move. If you can't bend your ankles properly, your knees and hips compensate, or the thoracic spine. If it's stiff, your shoulders overwork. Over time, that creates pain and limits performance. Mobility isn't just a stretch. It's controlled movement that teaches your body to actually use the new range of motion safely. I worked with a runner who had chronic knee pain. They had been stretching the hamstring for months, doing everything that they thought would help, but the pain never went away. After testing, we discovered their glutes weren't activating and their hips were locked up. We implemented a simple activation drill and a mobility routine. Within weeks, they were back to running pain-free. This sounds like you. Don't wait for the pain to get worse. Here's what you can do. Try my free mobility reset PDF. The link is below. Stop chasing temporary fixes. Start moving the way your body was designed to. Your future self will thank you.